Hey YouTubers, I've got a product for you. It's Blue Star Ointment. I tell you what, I tried everything on the shelf to get rid of this athlete's foot on my foot. I got at the foot doctor. They told me it was safe to walk around. It was not. And boy, my foot got infected within a couple of days. And I could not get rid of this stuff. I even tried rubbing alcohol all over my feet and peroxide mixed together. I was just going crazy. Anyway, I got the Blue Star Ointment here and I got my foot out. I put it on my foot like this. Okay. You rub it on thick. Rub it on thick. Put a lot on there. In between the toes. And anywhere it's itching, just get it in there, okay? And then take a sock, roll it up like this so you don't rub off the stuff on there. Put it on, okay? And unroll it all the way up to the top of your foot here. And I tell you what, I slept like that with the Blue Star Ointment on my foot for 2 days in a row, and it was gone, and it has not come back. So try it out, folks. Blue Star Ointment. This stuff really works. Works like a champ. Check it out.